everyone, welcome to this video. So I know that some of you have a desire of working alongside your studies. You feel that you also want to earn something, if not in terms of money, but in terms of certain experience. In that case, what you can do is you can do some freelancing work. So what is a freelancing work? It's a kind of a work which the companies get it done from you by paying you on an hourly basis, on a weekly basis, or on a monthly basis, right? So basically you can do such kind of a work in your free time. You can do it alongside your regular occupation or regular work. So isn't it interesting? Now, how to gain such kind of a work? For that, you need to develop some good skills in yourself. So let me tell you some of the very best skills which are in the market right now, which can give you a lot many opportunities in order to explore some good freelance works, right? So the first thing that you should do is learn web designing or website designing. Basically, it's very much in nowadays. Companies do require proper websites which have a very good user experience. Do learn some skills related to it. Second is social media marketing. Companies do require some people who can invest in time in order to manage their Instagram handles or Twitter handles or LinkedIn pages of that company. So you can use that as well. The third is graphic designing. So basically companies do require some people as well who are very good in graphics and can create certain pictures or posts or flowcharts or using tools like Canva, wherein they can exhibit the company's good things. So that's also very much needed. And the fourth, which I would request you to incorporate in you, is soft skills or good communication skills, because they will help you land in too many work opportunities which you even don't know now. Last but not the least, the fifth one is copywriting. So basically it is writing content for marketing or sales so that the leads are generated and the company becomes more and more famous. So don't you think you should incorporate these skills in yourself? If not all, but few of them, so that you have good amount of caliber in you and you have good opportunities later in your life. So today's shout out goes to Deepa. Thank you so very much for watching our videos. We really like you appreciating us. Stay tuned at Let's Tute.